Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate my assignment for mobile app development, and without further ado I'm just going to head straight to it. So the first thing you'll see is a splash view that I've integrated to the project, and upon launch I've already populated the data with 2 records, but there's an issue with the image. It's not displaying, and I only just noticed that a few hours ago. So I'm just gonna demonstrate the CRUD process. So here I've kind of designed the UI a bit different, slightly similar, just some changes in coloring and other areas. So just gonna show the addition functionality. Just gonna take away for a sec. So here I've also managed to integrate the BMI section for the BMI for when you're creating the user. So just to make it friendly, I've managed to implement it right within the creation. So here the idea here is that the user would check their BMI. So then I have a separate function working in the background to calculate, and then upon calculation I've also written some, like a small algorithm just to check the boundaries, whether the user's normal, overweight, or just neutral kind of. And then the idea here is that the user would input that info, the weight, and then the results 60. And the description is that the user's normal. Then you can also add a profile picture and then add. So I don't know why it's only populating for this section. So you can also delete. So now I've noticed as well that the image just disappeared here, so I think it's a bug definitely somewhere, which I'll fix in the future. So just gonna update, show the update functionality. So the user can actually check their BMI again and make the changes accordingly. So say if the user maybe gained weight or something, the user can then update update the existing record. Oh yeah, so just and the user can change the profile picture and then delete. I also tried to implement the search functionality. Didn't work. I tried it with a couple of different versions, but it didn't work. But I sort of have the idea, just due to time constraints, I wasn't able to fully work on it. So I just have an icon implemented there for the search, and then upon click it would listen and change into a search view, but then it couldn't filter properly through my array or even filter at all. But yeah, so I have to make improvements there. Yeah. Other than that, that's basically what I've done. I've also managed to write some tests. It doesn't work properly, but yeah, I made some attempts there as well. And also different branches upon that. So all that is written into my self-assessment form. But yeah, other than that, that's it. Thank you very much for listening.